Nova, please make sure that you hit subscribe to my channel. And today we are going to cover grasshopper pose, which is a really fun arm balance. But before we get started, I'm going to show you a pose how we can do this on the floor to open up our hips. So make sure you've done a thorough warm-up, maybe a few Surya Namaskars before we get started, and then I'll go ahead and meet you on the mat. Okay, so we're going to begin in staff pose with the legs extended straight out. Then bend the knees and take the left ankle. I'm going to use my left foot to cross over my right knee like I'm in a figure four. From here, take a nice big inhale and extend the spine, lift the chest, and then twist over toward that right side. And you want to bring the left arm, so the same arm as the leg that's crossed over, you want to bring that across the body. You want to keep this foot flexed as high on top of the upper arm as possible. From here, you're going to begin to hold the big toe side of the foot. You're going to slide the foot out as you slowly bring your chest and your face down to the floor. You can turn your cheek to one side, and then you keep that foot pressing and the knee lifting up as you recline yourself down. You can take your right hand back for a half bind if you wish to get a nice shoulder opening. Okay, so this is essentially our reclined grasshopper pose, and this is pretty much what we're going to be doing in the arm balance. So make sure that you try that on the other side. And I'm going to go ahead and stand up and demonstrate this arm balance for you. All right, so you can take it step by step. You're welcome to use blocks underneath of your hands if you feel that you need a little bit of support in the beginning. So we're going to begin in a one-legged chair. So cross the left ankle or the leg of your choice over. Flex the foot, very important to keep it flexed. Bring the hands together at your heart and take a nice big inhale. And then we'll twist over to the right side. So again, it's that left elbow that hooks across the left foot. From here, take your hands down to the side. You're going to make a chaturanga platform and slowly begin to lift the right foot, pointing the toe, looking at the toe, and coming into your grasshopper pose. Balance for a few moments, smile, take a selfie, take a screenshot, and there you have it, is your grasshopper pose. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.